Hi mga kapakers! For today's video, andito ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko sa 13 Martires. Tama ba? Oo. I'm going to introduce my friend. He's an English linguistic. So we have to do English vlog for today. It's so difficult because, you know, I'm not good in English. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my friend, Miss Hasna Valencia.
Hi guys! Welcome to the Paca Vlogger!
Hello!
Hi!
Ayan.
I'm with my friends, Urbana and Baldo.
We're eating lunch right now. And we're going to the...
Bukal.
What's bukal in English?
Bukal is like a log.
Ilo. A river. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, a friend of mine who's good in English, Miss Patty. Mamaya po abangan nyo ang aming vlog at kung paano kami mag-usap dalawa.
True.
English only, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry kung
I
nagtagalog
speak
po ako.
English.
Okay.
But slightly.
Slightly.
Slightly used.
Okay, thank you. See you again
Yeah.
mamaya sa aming vlog. Say hi, Baldo and Reggie. After ng maraming nabibigyan po kami ng tawa na tingnan. Ayun na nga guys, tapos na kami kumain at we're preparing now for the outing that we will do in where is it? Miss, I'm so sorry for introducing her. She is Miss
Wait a minute.
what's your name again, ma'am?
Hi, by the way, ang Ichika M. Walk, ang taong lobo.
Yeah, she's Ichika M. Wolf. I'm so sorry, sis, for introducing in a wrong name.
Mistake.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my mistake. So, we are preparing right now, and she's putting some lotion to his
Skin disease.
white skin disease. Yeah, she has a beautiful skin. Thank you so much for taking care of her skin.
Thank you for my sponsor, Cetaphil.
Yeah.
For healthy and smooth.
Yeah, it's so difficult because I don't know. I'm not good in English. I'm so sorry, Madam Wolf. Ichika Wolf. Yeah. Say hi, Baldo, again.
Hello po.
Put up your ano tawag dyan?
Put out. Put out your mouthpieces.
Okay, we're ready and we're going now, guys. Yeah. Where are we going? What's the name of the place? Yeah. Miss Ichika Wolf is ouring there. You know ouring? Aw po siya there. So, ayun, lakad na kami papunta dun sa ano. Let's go.
Shall we go?
There, shall we go?
Kami, ha?
Okay. Oh, say goodbye, Patty.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.
Ako na.
Oo, sige. Let's go, Miss Ichika Wolf. Bye muna. Okay, we start the walking. And what's the time now, Miss Ichika Wolf?
Okay, it's time 3:09
Oh, in
evening.
in the afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah. How long will it take us to go there?
I think is 2 kilometers before we go to the Bukal.
Okay, that's it. Because I can't explain it. Because I'm hardly can't explain. Speak English. Yeah, 2 kilometers walk from Miss Ichika
Oh my
Wolf's
God,
house
it's
to.
raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
But
So what can we do? What will we do?
we need to rush.
Rush.
Rush hour.
Okay. Where's the way to the
Along ahead.
along ahead? Okay. Guys, we're almost halfway there and I'm going to interview Miss Ichika Wolf. What will we expect in the river? Is it a river or what's the English of Bukag? Comment down below para alam po namin. I'm so sorry, I'm not good at English.
Yeah.
So what are we going to expect there? Is it
His spec,
English only, madam?
His spec It's some like water,
Water?
running water.
Yeah. That's the English.
Like a fall.
Then, what else?
Wait.
How about the way going there? Is it hard to go there? Is it tricky?
Slowly, it's hard
Yeah.
to go there.
Are we going to hike? Are we going
Hike.
to climb?
Maybe,
Are we doing
maybe
hiking?
climb or hike.
Yeah.
This is it.
And right now we don't know where to go.
Yeah.
Where's the place to go?
Wait. Hey!
English.
Hello!
Yeah. Miss Ichikawa is asking some people where's the right way to go there. Yeah. So, madam,
Hi, kuya. Sa'yo yung ng bukal.
okay, wait. I'm going to ask some people. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. First entrance is 5 pesos.
Only 5 pesos.
Yes.
To go there.
And a second trans 5 pesos.
Another 5 pesos
Then after
entrance.
I'm here to the pay.
Oh, Kuya is Englishing only. You also
Yes.
speak English.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Rolly.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Where do you live?
Well, let's go now. We're paid, and can we go? Can we pass the? Can we pass the bridge over there?
Can you tour me?
Tour me. Yeah. Here we go, guys.
We're climbing.
The first entrance is 5 pesos. Pati. So where's the right way? Here.
Asa sa Loreji?
Yeah. Miss Ichika Wop is guiding us. English only, Miss Ichika. Temporary. Okay, guys. We will be back later. We're going to have trekking, I think. You see the place? Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Then, how long will we walk from here to the river?
I think it's 1,000 meters.
1,000 meters. Oh my God. So 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
Oh. You see how beautiful Miss Ichikawa skin?
So, here we go. I think this is the second entrance fee. Miss Ichikawa, is that the second entrance fee? How much is the entrance fee? Only 10 pesos. So, second entrance fee. There's a lot of toll gate here, like in NLEX and SLEX. Keep on asking money, you know, to pay. But, I think for the, ano na rin to, para rin to sa, nagaganon po sila para rin naman po sa ikagaganda ng lugar. So, sila po yung hala, kaya ganun. May video okay doon. Oh, Patty, you're wrong. No pay again, for free. Miss Asna Valencia is doing great. She is really a GL queen because we went here for only 5 pesos. We are expecting to pay how much? 30 pesos, but for now we only just pay 5 pesos. Oh my God, so tricky. Yun guys, at Tagalog na. Mas pag si Patty na lang po, siya lang po mag-i-English. Ayun na nga, sobrang hirap ng daan. Oh my God, kailangan kakapit ka. Ayan na siya, oh nakikita niyo po yun doon. Ayun na po yung, oh my God, ang ganda. Yes. Miss Ichika, wait! You have to introduce the place. Because you're my guest right now.
guys, pauwi na kami at ito na.
We're done
Start of what na hiking, right?
Hi, we're done to
What? Take a bath. Here we go. We will go hiking now.
Ayun na guys, bilang natigil ang aking pagbablog dahil nga sa tugtog, baka makapiright ako. So, natapos na ang aming swimming. So, Miss Ichiko, what can you say about the experience? Oh my God. How can I say? What? Say something! What are you doing? Say something. Something about what? The experience of going to the running water. Yeah. The river. The water is not good. Why? Why you say so? You said that it's cold. It's good. It's cold, but the water is very you can tell. Dirty. Dirty. But it's running water. It's run. Yeah. Ayan. Pumapalik na ulit kami. Pabalik ng bahay. So far, ang experience for me is good. Okay yung water, hindi siya ganun kalamigan. At ayun, sa nakita nyo nga din sa video na pwede kang mag-diving, cliff diving ba tawag doon. At ang entrance, doon simula sa umpisa 5, 10, bali 20 per head. Sa mismong, sa mismong running water, 10 pesos. Doon, siguro yung 5 pesos na binabayaran namin dito kasi private place siguro to, kaya may pa-entrance sila. In fairness, may natatago pang ganda ang 13 Martires. Tama, 13 Martires to, no? Anong pangalan ng bukal? Yan po. Siya po yung taga rito, hindi niya alam pangalan ng bukal. So guys,
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
And I hope you enjoy. Say
Thank you for
something.
watching. Please subscribe Paca Senia and follow my link. Ichika M. Wolf.
Okay. Thank you, Ichiko Mo, for a wonderful experience. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for updated videos, di ba?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.